Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Magnus and I was checking out the CCVS course material today. I just scrolled by it and I did check like what sort of videos should I make for this VSX video series to more or less cover everything that is on the certificate. I haven't written the certificate myself yet. I will try to do that and hopefully I pass. But one of the topics that are included when it comes to like the VSX training, so to say, it's about optimization, troubleshooting, and so on. So within VSX, there was before, and it's not anymore, something called like VSX MStat and VSX resource control. So if we check this like monitor VSX control, first of all, this was a command that you needed to enable to see like how much CPU and how much memory, etc. is each virtual system actually using. And when you enable this, you need to reboot your box. So if you forgot to enable this when you install it, you couldn't really check it in an easy way. I don't know if this command, if this is like taking additional resources, etc. from the box. This is something I have used very little, but sometimes when it comes to troubleshooting, we have used it. And if you search for the same like command, if you go to R8040, so VSX resource control, there is nothing about it. And that made me think like, okay, maybe the R8040 admin guide and so on is missing something. But there is actually an SK called SK 162434. And here it says, in the previous releases, like kernel 2618, that's below R8030 with the 3.10 kernel, that's everything below there, still running Gaia. Then you needed to see like, you needed to use this command, firewall VSX resource control stat, to be able to see it. And within VSX 3.10 kernel, meaning that it came from R8030, you see here, resource control is no longer supported. And in R8040 and higher, they say check it in CPU. So instead of this resource control that was present before within VSX, Checkpoint is now putting everything like this within CPU. I think this is the right approach to take, and I think all of you guys are aware of CPU and how it works, but more or less you can do CPU on the VS0. That's like the main box. And you can also do it on each single like virtual system. Then you just do VSN and then the number of what you want to go into. And here you can see like the physical box itself. You see here that go to the context virtual system 0. That's the physical box. And run the CPU. Then you can see like which VS is taking this amount of memory and how much CPU is it actually using. So this is the right approach. This is the future. Make it easier, make it more similar to a normal gateway. It shouldn't be so much different between a normal gateway and VSX. There will still be, but it's getting easier and easier to manage a VSX system. And I think it's good. You shouldn't need to struggle. You shouldn't need to be aware of all this. It should be easy. And CPU is very, very easy. It's graphical GUI and so on. You can click and you can see history and so on. So this is good. But my question to you guys is like, I think that this VSX resource control is within the certificate. I'm not sure. Should we make a video about VSX on an older version, meaning like R80.10? I'm not a big fan of it, but if you guys want to see like specific about VSX resource control, maybe we can do some small lab about it, just to cover like that topic for the exam. I don't know if it's exists in the exam. I don't know if they have removed it. At least it will be removed because it's no longer present above R8040. And the current recommended release to go for is, I think it's R8040, or maybe it's R81. I think it's R8040. Don't hold me to that, but I mean, should we take some time to do the resource control or not? Please comment below, and let's see what it goes from there. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.